problem number 11, we're going to use synthetic division to factor and solve the equation. So first let's come up with a possible rational roots. So I look at the constant and I write down what are the factors, 1, 2, and 4, and the leading coefficient is going to be the denominator factors of 1, which is be 1. So I can test 6 different numbers, 1, -1, 2, -2, and 4, and -4. So let's get started. I'm going to start by testing, let's start with number 1. So the highest degree here is 3, so something to the third, something to the second, something to the first, and to the 0. And I want to know what is the solution. It needs to be 0 if this is going to be a solution. Let me grab a pencil. Okay, I'm going to use a pencil so I can be lazy here and go back and test. So I have a 1. I can do this in this is 1 as a coefficient, 10, 18, and 4. All right, so D mama, I'm going to drop down the first number, multiply, add, multiply, I'm going to add 29, multiply, add, and 33. I need 0. That tells me I'm going to try -1. Dropping down the 1, multiply is -1, adding down is 9. Multiply is -9, adding down is 9. Multiply is -9, and I still end up with -5. I need 0. Look at 2. Dropping down for D, and then multiply, add down, multiply, adding down. So we got 42. Multiplying, which is 84, adding down is 88. Let's try -2. Dropping down, multiplying, adding, multiplying, adding down is 2, multiplying is -4. Okay, I just found a root. So this is a 0. So one root is x equals -2. But I need 2 more roots, a total of 3. So what do? I take what I'm provided, and I have 0 equals 2, 8, and 1. This has no x's, it's the constant, 1x and 2x's. Now, we can always see if this is factorable, but I know there's not 2 numbers that multiply to give us 2 and combine to give us 8. Since it's a quadratic equation, I can now use the quadratic formula. So this is my A, my B, and my C. So -b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X equals -8 plus or minus, okay, this is 64 minus 8. 64 minus 8 is 56 all over 2. Now, can I break down, is the question, can I break down the 56? So I'm going to grab my calculator and go 56 divided by 49. I'm testing out, nope, 56 divided by 36, 56 divided by 25, 56 divided by 16, 56 divided by 9, and 56 divided by 4 finally works. So it's going to break down into 4 and to 14. So if I move this up, I have x equals -8 plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 14 all over 2. And I'm going to go back and replace the square root of 4 with 2. Remember, this has to be shared with both the left and the right values to the left and right of the plus or minus. So -8 divided by 2 is -4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And this is my final answer.